Monday, March 27th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Good bit to talk about here. Several systems heading our way over the next week or so, and one of those systems gradually approaching over the next 36 hours. Let's start off with a look this morning at our Greensboro Tower camera, and during the 5 a.m. hour, it is raining in the Triad. It has rained during the night down in Charlotte, but as I cut the video, the rain taking a bit of a break. There's a look at the conditions from the Dowd YMCA camera there. Actually, the observation from the airport. That's the camera, the Dowd YMCA building. 61 at 5 a.m. there at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport. Highs yesterday, pretty warm across the southern and eastern part of the country overall. Up to 84 in Jackson, Mississippi, 83 in New Orleans, 83 in Macon. You had 70s and 80s over a whole lot of the Carolinas. Cooler in the foothills and the mountains, but a lot of the Triad viewing area well into the 70s. Same deal with the Piedmont portions of the Charlotte viewing area, but again, up in the mountains a little cooler, 58 the high in Boone and Jefferson on Sunday afternoon. These are 5 a.m. hour temperatures early on this Monday morning. A lot of mild air still in place over the southern and the eastern part of the country. And again, we've had this batch of showers moving through the Piedmont areas early this morning. That continues to gradually work further to the east, and that same disturbance causing some rain and eventually a little bit of wintry precip further up into the northeastern part of the country. Now, here's the next system that gets here tomorrow, causing some rain and storms. Missouri, Arkansas, Tennessee, and occasionally down into Mississippi. Here's the high-resolution rapid refresh modeling, and you notice the thunderstorms blossoming pretty nicely here around the Tennessee Valley and the lower Mississippi Valley. And with time, we could see a few of those showers and thunderstorms work into the Carolinas during the heating of the day today and even extending into tonight. So kind of a warm and soupy setup, and there will be the development of a few showers and storms later today and on into tonight. No real severe weather threat of concern in the Carolinas today or tonight, but pretty healthy threat of severe weather from Mississippi, Alabama, into parts of Tennessee, eastern Arkansas, and surrounding areas this afternoon and into tonight. So again, in this soupy air mass ahead of this system, look for the development of a few showers and thunderstorms here and there. And here's our highs across the region. Really warm weather day for today. Tomorrow, that next cold front gets here. It's in a weakening state as it arrives, but I do think it's enough to kick off a few scattered showers and thunderstorms for our Tuesday. Limited threat of severe weather, not a huge potential, but I can't rule out a couple storms that produce some damaging winds or some small hail tomorrow afternoon. Tuesday's highs look like that across the region. Now, as we get into Wednesday, we're between systems. Wednesday looks really nice. The next system ramping up off to the west, so our Wednesday high temperatures, I'll show you that in just a second. There's Wednesday's system severe weather threat, again, ramping up there through the southern plains and the Ozarks region into the lower Mississippi Valley. Ahead of all that, we get a dry and nice day Wednesday. Then high pressure wedges in here from the north on Thursday, so it's a much cooler type of weather day Thursday, and we await the arrival of this next storm system. So this is what it looks like on the GFS model Thursday. Probably a lot of clouds, especially by late Thursday and Thursday night. The chance for some rain showers begins to arrive, and then this wedge slowly erodes during the day Friday, and we see that next cold front work in. And so right now, Friday looks very unsettled with rain and some thunderstorms. However, this should be completely gone in time for the weekend. Saturday and Sunday for the upcoming weekend both look very, very nice. So here's what it looks like on the operational European model. This is the incoming disturbance today. There it goes, moving through tomorrow. Here's the late week system swinging in here, and then probably another one at some point as we get back into next work week, Monday and Tuesday of next week. GFS model. Today, there's your pop-up afternoon showers and thunderstorms as that cold front moves through, scattered showers and storms tomorrow. Wednesday's quiet. Thursday, a lot of the day probably quiet, but cooler, and then there's the showers and thunderstorms Friday. But look at this. This is Saturday. Beautiful weather set up for us Saturday and Sunday. Really ideal weather for the weekend with sunshine building back in. Our weekend highs in the 70s looks very, very nice. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.